I'm Manjula. He is my kid. He is 2.5 years old. Like actually, we started with a fever which was very much continuous. Usually, children they'll be getting fever. So we were visiting the nearest pediatrician itself. Then it didn't stop even after vomiting medicine was given. So then they told by that time he was like almost dehydrated. So get him admitted. So nearby nursing home only we got him admitted near Vijaynagar. So then they told to go for an CT scan just to look what's the condition. Then in CT scan we got to know that he had a lesion in his head. We were like very much afraid, like a small kid having such a big condition. Then after 2 days his surgery was done. Then he told it is they have removed it completely, now no need. He has to undergo chemotherapy. From last 3 to 4 months we are with Dr. Vineet. He is amazing. Like one good news is after 3 cycles of chemotherapy he was done. 15 days back he was done MRI of the brain. Then they told it is completely disappeared. Now it's almost gone. So we are very happy with Dr. Vineet, with Sakra World, Dr. Swarup Gopal, and even the pediatrician Dr. Sai Shankar. Everyone, Dr. Vineet makes everyone to be around the children. He is great.